Hi, I'm Michael from Inkno, and in this video, let's look at how ClassPoint integrates the digital whiteboard into your PowerPoint presentations. Whiteboards are a great way to further explain your ideas in addition to the slide presentations. So we've put it right next to the annotation tools. By default, we provide 3 preset backgrounds: a whiteboard, a blackboard, and a ruled paper. Click any one to start a new whiteboard page. Now you can use the pen tools to draw on the whiteboard, the same way you annotate on slides. Unlimited whiteboard slides can be added during slideshow. When you exit to go back to the edit mode, the whiteboards will be automatically saved as new slides for you. You can customize whiteboard backgrounds by clicking this icon. Apart from our presets, you can upload your own images or set the current slide as a whiteboard background. In this example, I want to customize 2 whiteboard backgrounds, one using this graph paper image, the other using this slide where I've added an XY axis. These 2 backgrounds are very useful for my math class. To set them up, I will first choose Use an Image, select the graph paper, then give it a name. For the second background, I'll make sure the correct slide is selected, and in here I'll choose Use Current Slide and name it XY Axis. I also want to remove the ruled paper as it's not relevant to me. Now, when I go back to slideshow and click the whiteboard icon, I can see 4 different backgrounds: whiteboard, blackboard, graph paper, and the XY axis. These whiteboard backgrounds are saved on the cloud, so if you sign in to your ClassPoint account on a different PC, they'll still be available. So this is how you can easily add unlimited whiteboard pages and customize backgrounds inside ClassPoint. For more resources and how-tos, head to classpoint.io/resources.